first plant I want to talk about is a tree, and it's a flowering crab. It's Malus red obelisk, a compact upright tree. It has pink flowers at the moment, flowering right through almost the month of April and into May. And as we go through the season and later in the autumn, it will have attractive red berries. Foliage equally attractive, which is another plus at this time of the year. The foliage is bronze colour, and then as we go to the end of the season, it will become green. So there's attractive flowers, colourful foliage, and then as we go to the end of the season, it has the attractive berries. So a fabulous garden centre plant, excellent in this garden, won't overpower the garden, and very, very easy to grow. Second plant I want to talk about in the garden is the Himalayan birch, or Betula jacamontii. Very distinctive because of its white bark. So the white bark stands out and makes the tree ideal for using in many gardens because of its visual impact. You can have the tree as a single standard plant, or you can have it as a multi-stem plant as here in this garden. So its uses are multifold then. Very, very easy to grow. It will grow quite large over time, probably going up to about maybe 3-4 meters in time. It'll let the light through the foliage, so it's a tree that doesn't totally shade the house or shade the whole garden, because light will penetrate through the foliage. It's also a good plant for underplanting. There's such a range of plants. You can plant bulbs, daffodils, you can plant hostas. So there's many shade-loving plants you can grow under it. The third plant I want to talk about is a very distinguished plant. It's a plant that will stand out, and the name of that plant is commonly known as bleeding heart, or Dicentra spectabilis. It's named because of the shape of its flowers. It's pink-shaped flowers, heart-shaped, and it's a plant that will stand out, one of the most popular plants that you will see in a garden at this time of the year. Planted in drifts, it makes an enormous impact. In a garden it's not very demanding, but it will grow better in partial shade. It will even grow in full sun, and it will grow in most soil types. Ideally, with humus around the soil, some compost added, it does give it that bit of extra energy to perform better. The plants of course die down over the winter months, but when it emerges in the springtime, you'll certainly be rewarded with its colour, its impact, and when planted in groups, in a garden or in a perennial border, it has few equals.